When you're having trouble sleeping, what's the first thing you blame? Is it your mattress, your pillow, the room temperature? We spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars optimizing our bedrooms for deep sleep. But almost everyone overlooks the one thing touching their skin for 8 hours straight: your bed sheets. Sheets aren't just a decoration, they are a core piece of your sleep tech. And picking the wrong ones might be quietly ruining your rest without you even knowing it. Sleep scientists talk a lot about your sleep microclimate. This is the tiny environment created right between your skin and your bedding. When you fall asleep, your core body temperature naturally drops. But if your sheets trap heat and moisture, your body gets confused. It starts fighting to cool you down, causing what experts call micro-arousals. You might not wake up fully, but these tiny heat spikes pull you out of deep, restorative sleep, back into shallow sleep. You wake up after 8 full hours feeling like you barely slept 4 hours. This brings us to the biggest culprit: synthetic fabrics. Polyester or microfiber sheets might feel smooth out of the box, but functionally, they act like plastic wrap. They trap hot air and sweat against your skin. Natural fibers are a game changer here. Quality cotton offers natural air channels that allow heat to escape and keep you cool. Bamboo, exceptionally moisture wicking and light. Ideal if you're a naturally hot sleeper or deal with night sweats. So, how do you choose what's right for you? It comes down to your personal sleep style. If you run hot, look for crisp, breathable cotton weaves or cooling bamboo. Flat, light layers allow air to circulate freely. If you run cold, look for denser, softer natural weaves that gently hold warmth without suffocating you. It's not about luxury or spending a fortune. It's about matching the fabric to your body's temperature needs. Grading your sheets isn't an indulgence. It's a practical investment in how you wake up every single morning. Before you go buy a new $2,000 mattress, take a look at what's wrapped around it first. What fabric do you currently sleep on? And do you wake up hot or cool? Let me know in the comments below.